We are not responsible for any hearing damage. We are not responsible for any hearing damage. The music will begin with bass. Bass check. Bass check. Bass check. Followed by the kick. Kick check. Low frequency check is now complete. Okay, I will start the mid and high frequency now. High check. High frequency work is complete. Proceeding with mid frequency now. Mid check. Mid frequency work is complete. Now proceeding to check the bass and kick.